Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be making a Puerto Rican sandwich. This is a Puerto Rican steak sandwich. So I got a beautiful skirt steak. Look at that thing, absolutely gorgeous. A lot of fat in there and a lot of flavor. It's going to be so good.
What's that?
This is a snack.
Did you just make steak before I came in?
I can't make steak for breakfast. It's trimmings. It's supposed to be cut off. Before we are going to grill this steak, let me tell you how I got to this recipe. I got a message on Discord. Discord is our community and the link is down below. You can find it there and you can go there and we're just hanging out there and having fun. But I received a message on a special channel that we have, request a video to Pitmaster X. And I found a request there from JDog13. And he asked me, Pitmaster X, I have a suggestion. Could you make Jibarito sandwiches? It's one of my favorite Puerto Rican dishes. So I Googled that and what did I find? That it's well, Puerto Rican style Chicago sandwich. And the funny thing about this recipe is that there are no buns involved. It's a sandwich without buns. And what are we going to replace the buns with? Bananas. Weird, right? We're going to deep fry bananas twice and then we're going to eat them. I got it wrong. In English, these are called plantains. And in Dutch, we call them bakbananen. So basically, they're not bananas. Let's open one up. Deep frying my first plantain, Morrison. I'm going to throw it in the fryer. We're going to deep fry it until it's nice and golden brown. I have no clue to know when they're done. I've never deep fried plantain before. So this is a first for me, with just winging. Luckily I got 4 of them. So we had this in the fryer at 180 degrees for around 10 minutes. Still a little bit hot. So the plan is to smash this, but actually I have no idea if it's cooked or not well enough. Oh, yeah, this looks good to me. No, it's good, because we need to smash it, except the problem now is it's not whole anymore. So the idea that I had was to open it up and to smash it like that. But we cooked it a little bit too much, now it's in pieces. So this was kind of like my plan. Are you ready for this, Morrison? Now parts of the table are falling up. But plantains are flattened. And now we have to fry it again. So let's just consider the first one an experiment. Good, so we'll put these back in. I think maybe we should try smashing the next one first, because it breaks. Let's give it a try. Smash it first and then fry it. PUBG style, there we go.
Did you just say PUBG style?
That's what I said.
I love it already. Let's go.
Do they have this in Apex as well? Oh! Oh yeah! Let's take the other ones out and give them a quick try. Probably some salt on it, right? To enhance the flavor. Twice fried, smashed, baked plantain. What I'm thinking about it, it's really like potato, and I totally get it as a sandwich. Well, let's deep fry the other one. Whoa. I think it's done. Let's take it out of the grill, fryer. I think we might have some good plantain buns here. Time to move on to the next ingredients. I want to be prepared. When our steak is done grilling, I want to have all the ingredients laid out so we can directly start building up our bun. And one of the main ingredients is a garlic sauce, not really, it's just garlic that we're going to grind fine into a paste with a little bit of oil in it. And since I am a true believer of you can't have enough garlic, we're going to put in the whole thing. Take out the bottom. And then in the grinder, break it up a little bit. Look at that, grind fine. Of course, we need a little bit of salt. 1 teaspoon will do. A little bit of oil, around 2 tablespoons will do. And then slowly blend it together. And our garlic sauce is done. Now we'll slice up some tomatoes and some lettuce. Hey, stop eyeballing my cheese, man. No, not yet, Morrison. This cheese isn't that good? Okay,
Come on,
no cheese for you.
It's free packaged.
It doesn't matter if it's pre-packed. This is good cheese. No cheese for you this time, Marcel. How about now we start grilling that steak? I already have my Kamado Joe Big Joe up to a high temperature. It's ready to start searing. So without further ado, we're going to put on our steak. Our inside skirt steak is done. I'm taking it off the grill. Boom, there we go. Look at that thing. It's an absolute beauty. All the fat caramelized, it rendered out and it's sitting on top. That is all flavor. Sprinkle on a little bit of salt while our steak is resting. Morrison, pick up your camera. It's time to eat. This is the magical moment. You can hear that? How crunchy that is? We'll start with mayonnaise. We're Dutch. We can start with mayonnaise anytime. Put it on there. Tell me you like mayonnaise. A little bit of lettuce on the bottom. And basically the lettuce is just there for color. It's like having a sidearm. You don't need it, but it makes you look good. And PUBG. A couple of slices of fresh tomatoes. These things are super sweet. And a slice of young Gouda cheese. Does it get any better than that? Yes it does. Time to slice up our inside skirt. Put it on our sandwich. And now we put a plantain on top to finish it off. Look at that. And now we're going to brush on the magic garlic and our sandwich is done. Comment down below if you like Morrison, his setup on plating up this plate, and if you like the thumbnail, because he made it. But the cool part is eating the sandwich. It feels heavy, it feels really solid, because the plantain is hard and crispy, but the garlic is heavy on top. My first Jibarito. Puerto Rican sandwich. There we go. Oh, wow, this is so much better than expected. I'm super excited about this plantain thing and how it works as a sandwich. Because it gives a really nice crunch, but the garlic on top, oh, that is so cool. Why do we not have this in Holland? I'm glad I found it. Thank you, J-Dog, for this recipe idea. Having a sandwich without a sandwich, but the substitute of a crispy plantain, absolutely gorgeous. And with the garlic brush on top, it really explodes in flavor. The inside skirt is the perfect steak to go with this sandwich because it's bold and beefy. It has a lot of flavor and it still stands out against that plantain and all the rest of the ingredients. The cheese and the mayonnaise are in the back. Maybe a stronger cheese for next time. But overall it worked really well. And if I might add, not bad for frying a plantain the first time. You haven't had one yet, Marcel?
No.
Are you already upset?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. That's a good sign. I'm gonna give you a part of the sandwich. Do you think you can manage that? You're probably gonna need 2 hands. Tasty, crispy. To me, the garlic and the plantain, those are the new things to the sandwich to me. But man, it really works. A fantastic recipe. Thank you, JDoc13, for pointing it out. If you have recipes ideas, just put them down in Discord. There's a link down below underneath this video. You can click on it, you can become a member of our community, and you can request a video that you want me to do, and I'll check it out every now and then. And if you guys have a good idea, we're just gonna make it. So thank you again, JDoc. Thank you everyone for watching, and of course our YouTube members and our patrons. You guys freaking rock. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.